What is up, you guys? Today's workout is a pretty solid workout. So I'll show you this interesting push-up variation today. Okay, so let's just start off with this circuit, which basically means that I'm not gonna take any break in between. The first position is called activated beast. It's basically like if you're on the floor on your knees, what happens when you take off your knees, so the whole weight is shifted to your core and then your core gets engaged, and from that position that becomes your start position. You start doing that push up, which will be pretty hard from the normal push up, because this here you are crossing your shoulders or crossing your wrists, right? So this one is called a push up rock, and this hits the shoulders, this hits the core. Following that, we will come back to the start position without bending our knees. This is called inchworm, okay? And the movement is called inchworm. And why is this reverse inchworm? Is because you're coming to the start position. And inchworm is basically you keep moving forward, right? Now we will start with move to kettlebell. This is an alternate movement, and it's called a gorilla kettlebell row in. Pretty much like a conventional row in, but then I like this one so much because since this is an alternate movement, your core and obliques are engaged in the whole thing, right? So as you can see that I am not taking any break in between, and this is pretty good because your heart rate is up, your body is warming up, and when you come back to the second round of this circuit, which again you are not allowed to take any break, right? So first you'll finish the kettlebell gorilla, and then you'll jump again, go to this inchworm movement, and we'll go back to the push-up rock movement, right? So let's do that. Cool. So the phase 2 or the second circuit is kettlebell clean and press. This is a very nice full body workout again, because you are engaging your back and shoulders. Following this, you have a regular grip push up, which basically means that your wrists are in line with your shoulders, and yeah, I mean basic boom push-ups which you're doing. So this is the second circuit, right? Now we will do a killer back workout. Back is the largest group, one of the largest muscle groups, right? Like legs, back, chest. So today we are hitting the back, and we will start off with this one arm dumbbell row. It hits a lot of muscles, okay? So it hits your traps, it hits your biceps, and then latissimus dorsi and all of those muscles. But then the main thing is that you concentrate on squeezing the back muscles once you reach the full contracted position. So you just make sure that the force is performed with the back muscles and not the arms, right? Because herein your arms will also play an important role, and significant amount of force will be given by the arms. Keep the upper torso stationary, just keep that in mind, and you just breathe out as you perform this step. So once you pull the dumbbell up, you breathe out, okay? So we finished this one, and now we will start with our inclined dumbbell rows, okay? The inclined dumbbell rows are a variation of this dumbbell row hinge, but this just keeps your back straight, right? So you're like strictly not moving the back at all, and then you can just mix and match with any large muscle group, which basically means that either it can be a chest or back or leg, right? See you guys in my next IGTV video. Thanks a lot.